Hello everyone! I hope you're all okay and safe. So for today, I want to show you how to use your earnings from the Frontrow All access for you to be able to buy front row products at the office. Lucky here in Australia that we now have two offices, one in Sydney, New South Wales, and another new office will be opening here in Melbourne CBD, here in Victoria. First thing we need to do is we need to log in to frontrowofficial.com, which is our online access. Log in your username and password. And then you will be sent a 6-digit number, which is your OTP or one-time password. And also, make sure you have the PinGo app and you know your PIN number with that one. Check your email for your OTP when you log in. It looks like that one. And we type it here. Now that we're logged in, just scroll down. So that's your profile, your business profile, and your earnings. You can go to shop to get your products. I've already put here on my cart. When you're logged in into your account, you can go to shop so we can purchase our products. So here in Australia, all our 60 capsules for members are 45 Australian dollars and Lux Protect would be 15 Australian dollars. $4 for the soap, $38.50 for the Insta Bright, and $42 for the DD stick in 4 shades for all the members. So for this one, I want to purchase Lux White, and then I'll click the cart. Since I know that I have around 200 Australian dollars with my third account, I want to buy 4 bottles of 60 capsules each bottle. And for now, we only have pick up at the office. So you can see there the subtotal of the products you want to purchase. So let's click proceed to checkout. Let's tick the registered address for pickup, and you can see here on the purchase account you can select from first account, second, or third. So for this one, I want to use the third account, and you can see here we want to use the pay using Ewallet. So I only have 216. I have to pay a few dollars for me to purchase 5 bottles of Lux White. So now you tick that one, pay using Ewallet, and then you can see please enter PinGo OTP. So here's my PinGo. Mine's Touch ID. So there, you can see 6 digits for the OTP. So let's key it in. And you can see you only have a few minutes to encode it. So let's click validate. Yep, it says OTP validated, and applied wallet amount successfully. So let's click that and then pay. So that's our transaction summary. 5 bottles of Lux White. So I only have to pay an extra $8.48 and tick the agree and confirm. Yep. So you can make a payment there for the extra money that you have to pay. I've clicked the proceed to pay for the extra dollars for my products. And usually it will verify the card and send me a security code. After clicking proceed, you'll be sent that your payment is successful. So now I've already used 216 from my earnings, and you will be sent on your phone your sales and the invoice. So you can check and open your email, and there it is. That's the invoice for the 5 bottles of Frontrow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from what I shared today. Please like and comment if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and please write your comments on what other videos that you want me to make. Until next time, bye!